Well, I need to do it anyways, so I might as well get something creative out of it, right? Whenever I need to tidy up my bedroom, I always like to start by opening up the window and letting some fresh air in. This is for me such an important essential step. Letting some fresh air in already gives an instant different vibe to the whole bedroom. Right after letting some fresh air in for a couple of minutes, I immediately make my bed, and I do it every single morning as soon as I wake up, or in this case, this was a lazy Sunday, so it was fairly late. We had breakfast first and chilled around for a while, but it's one of the things that I need to do every single day. No matter how tidy the rest of the bedroom can look, if the bed is not made, it just gives me a sense of extreme clutteredness and of extreme untidiness and disorganization. So I do it every single day. And I think that even if the rest of the bedroom is not at its tidiest, making the bed makes a huge difference. If there are any bits and bobs laying around where they just don't belong, for example, here you can see my hot water bottle, my iPad was on the little stand staying just there on the floor. I make sure to collect all of the items and put them back in their place. I usually do it every single time. Whenever I use something, I immediately put it back. But sometimes you're just lazy or way too tired, or you just leave it there and you forget about it. So my goal is to have my surfaces, my nightstand, for example, or my dresser, as clear as possible. And collecting all of the items that are just left there for me is just an easy way to instantly polish up the room. If the day or night before I've been going out using a different, smaller bag than the one that I normally carry on a regular basis, I just like to take everything out and completely reorganize my bag and just make two bags into one. So all of my essentials go back into my usual bag. In this way, if I need to go out, I need to go to work, something last minute comes up, I don't have to become crazy and look around for the items that I left maybe in this bag or maybe in this other bag. Everything is organized, packed, and ready to go, and I have way less clutter around because everything is back where it belongs. If I happen to find any dirty clothes that need to be washed and I haven't put in the laundry basket already, no, I hate collecting dirty clothes in my room, so I don't do that. But let's say I need to change my PJs, or I find a used reusable mask that I've forgotten in my bag, something like that. I, of course, take it straight to the laundry basket to avoid any unpleasant clutter. And if there's anything that is freshly washed that is ready to be folded, I just take it, neatly fold it, and put it back where it belongs. Obviously, I don't do this every single day, but if there's any surface that is a little dusty or dirty and needs a little bit of a pick-me-up, I just clean it using an old t-shirt and my DIY all-purpose cleaner. While we don't steam up the floors every single time that we tidy up our bedroom or around the house, we like to vacuum a couple of times a week to make sure that the floors are always clean and there's no dust or dirt around. And I guess this is pretty much it for my tidy up routine in my bedroom. It doesn't get any simpler than this. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!